Hi, Gloria Moraga here, creating content in the digital age. This is video 2 of how to create a beautiful thumbnail. Why 2 videos? First video was how to create a thumbnail using Adobe Photoshop. Now, for one thing, Photoshop can be kind of confusing, but another thing, Photoshop can be expensive. So we're going to create a beautiful thumbnail today using Canva, which is entirely free. Let's go. This is Canva's home page, and this is where we're going to start. We're going to go right here and click on Create a Design, and this is what's cool. You have all these options. You can create a post for Facebook and on, and you can do a custom design, but you can also just go here and produce a YouTube thumbnail. You'll start again with a blank canvas, and you have options that are free, to start with this template and then add, delete content, put your own content in there. But rather than do that, we're going to lose that, and we're going to start with our blank canvas. Very easy. First thing we're going to do is create a background. And you have all these options again as well. You can do, something cool like beads. If you're a bead maker, you can come up here and do solid colors. And you can also do some texturized background. And this is a texturized background. And let's just start with this. So that's your first step. That's your first layer. Second layer, your photo. You can take a photo and you can take it from your cell phone and put it on your desktop and pull it over. I have already added some photos here, so I will go to Uploads, and I have this photo here that I cut out, but then I have this photo here that is a transparent. So I'm going to just pull it over and put it right there. And then I'm going to size it. Just kind of drag it around, see what size works best. I like this. This gives us room to put our text here. So I'm going to go with that. I'm just going to click outside the box, and then it's set. But see, I can still move it around if I hover over. Next, we're going to create some text, and I like creating the text first before we do the background that we're going to place the text on. So let's just start creating our text. And we're going to add a heading, and then we're going to add a subheading, and then let's just click here and add a little bit of body text. And that works. So I'm going to drag it up here, kind of place it where I think it'll all work. So there we have our wording, which is the start. We're going to put in our own words here. And the way you do that is, we'll lose this, we don't need that anymore, is click on this and then highlight the text. And we're going to type, well, you'll type whatever you want to type, and I'll type hyphen. I don't have to do all caps. Gloria. And we're going to change these fonts now, but I'm going to add one more something down here, and then I also want to add my name. So let's just go back to text. We'll just put Canva here. And then now we're going to work at making this text bigger. So we're just going to go up here and click on font. We're just going to play, see how it looks. Wow. Looks pretty bad. We don't want thumbnail to be like that. There. I like that. And we're going to make this bold. And that's great for now. And then I like the way this looks. I like, maybe beautiful could be a little bit bigger. And we can change the color of the text, and we can move the text around by just hovering over and clicking on it and moving it around. We want to add some background behind this wording. So let's do it. So how do we do it? We go to Elements right here. Click on that. And you want to find Shapes. And there's Shapes, and let's just see all. And it's just going to be something very basic, rectangular. So we're not reinventing the wheel here. So we'll just start with just a plain rectangular shape. We're going to grab this and pull it over and put it right there. And then we'll size it. Uh-oh, so we created it, and look, where's our wording? Well, let's do this. You know why we can't see it? It's because it's white. There it is. Let's just change it. You're going to go right here to the text color, and we'll make it black for now. Okay. So we're making it black for now, but we also want to take steps to change the color of this background. But let's just go ahead and create all the backgrounds for each of these words. So we'll just drag the box over again, and it's white. I'm going to size it. I kind of know what size it is. I should have changed the wording before I started doing this. Okay, all right. Okay, and then let's just highlight the wording, and we'll change it again. Let's just change it for right now to black. Okay, I'm not crazy about the way that looks, but we'll fix it later. Because I like red. All right. I mean, it's just more fun when I'm having fun. Okay. Oh, boy. Okay. And then we're going to move everything around, move the boxes around. Just click on it. And then when you see this, you can change the way it looks. So I like it, but we want to change the box color. So what you do is you click on the box. Okay, see how the box is highlighted? And up here, this will show you. Right now the color is white. So let's figure out what color will pop. Ooh, I like it. Okay, I mean, we're getting a little gaudy. And I'm thinking maybe we should use this color, this orange color. Maybe we'll put this orange color right here. So that's cool. So let's leave that. So I'm going to click off of it. And now I'm going to go back. And now I'm highlighted the box. Go up here. and it's white right now. So let's do, oh, that orangey color. So this matches this color here. And now I used the orangey color here. I don't want to use black because this background is black, but we need to get something that kind of matches this orange. And I know all of the guys use, the guy producers on YouTube use yellow a lot. And I know yellow and red is kind of a Mexican flag color. My father always used to say that. So let's try it. Okay, my friends, we have now created a thumbnail using Canva, totally free. You can obviously try Pro, but you get to do all of this with the free version. So why bother, right? Something that we can all afford. It's free. So you've created it, and now what you want to do is you want to, and all this while, Canva has been saving our document. So if I hit the wrong button, it's been saved. And I'll show you where. You go home, and then you go to all your designs, and there it is. Well, where is it? Should be this one. But for some reason my name's not there. Ah, it's there now. I don't know. Who knows? It's magic. All right. We're going to, in order to get this to our desktop to use it in as the thumbnail for this video that I'm going to produce, that I'm going to post on YouTube, hit download. It downloaded. Creating a beautiful thumbnail using Canva, which is perfectly free, entirely free. It's free. Gloria Moraga, creating content in the digital age. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe, leave a comment. A nice one.